In this screencast, I'm going to be covering a new enhancement to the cards that was brought up in our in-person training, and that was creating a full, what I call a full description for each card, and I'm going to show you how that works. First thing you want to do is log in and go to a card page. So I'm going to go to my test card, and let's click edit. And this feature will work for any new and existing cards. I'm going to click edit on this last new card for screencast. And here it is. So right underneath title, we have a body, a WYSIWYG, a full WYSIWYG that gives you all of the features that any page that has a WYSIWYG can give you. So you can add YouTube videos, you can add iframed maps, you can add formatted text, you can add images as well here that aren't linked. So if you're like, I want to add an image that's not linked, you can't do that in the image reference. You'd have to find another way, and this would be one other way that you can add images. You could, if you wanted to, you can add a quote. So all of these tools are here and available for you for each individual card. So each card has now a full description. You still do have this plain text description below. However, you can completely ignore it, or you can use both. I would obviously not recommend that. I would recommend, if you're going to use it, use the full description. The reason why it's not removed is the Nick site already had a bunch of content in that description field, and if I removed it, it were to remove all of those cards and all those card descriptions. So can't remove that, and it's not a big deal to have these two fields. So if you wanted to, you can have, a simple small description, or if you want a more robust description, you have these two options now. So all those previous screencasts that I showed you how to use or add a YouTube video, apply here. If you want to embed a iframed map, you can do that here. All that can be done here. We don't need to kind of go over that again in the screencast because you've already covered it, but all that functionality is built into every single card. So I'm just going to add some new text here, and let's just bold it and make a link. This is like the bare basics of what you can do, obviously, in a WYSIWYG, but I just want to prove that it works. So we're going to update our card and then click save. And if we scroll down to our new card for the screencast, we can see our body, and this is the new full description right here, and works as you would expect. And we have now you have the ability to, that was a big kind of thing that people wanted. They wanted to see the ability to iframe content in their cards, and now you can in that full description. It is a bit of a workaround, but it should work for you guys. So thanks for watching this screencast.